Yes. Now you can pause it with prayer.
The recording started.
Okay. Let's start with the prayer. Vasudeva Sutan Devam Kamsachanuramardhanam Devaki Paramanandam Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum. Jai Shri Krishna to everyone.
Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna, everyone.
Jai Shri Krishna.
Chaitalji, please say a few words to everyone. Welcome the session so that everyone gets to listen, and then we'll start as soon as
But surely we should welcome everybody on the session. But today is the day that everybody will speak how their life changed from like before they started reciting Bhagavad Gita, before they joined Gita Parivar, and now the day is starting with the recitation of Bhagavad Gita and what kind of changes they find in the quality of their life. So today's day is totally yours. You all should share your experience, how Bhagavad Gita changed your life. Do you find any change, or it's same as it was previous one? And if you find any kind of changes that you should really share over here, first thing. And second thing, I wish all of you just continue the journey of Bhagavad Gita with Gita Parivar till 4th level, and in your life till the last breath of your life, right? So you will never leave reciting Bhagavad Gita and living it. That's it from my side. So I wish everybody to speak up today, right? Today I am here to listen you. Chill.
You're looking very beautiful, Didi.
Thank you.
You just call out names one by one whenever required. They can self-unmute. So let us proceed now. And some guests are also there, so that I will be calling them out.
Yes.
So let us begin with Jiaji, I think youngest one amongst us. Jia?
Me, is it, or Jia?
No, Jia Gautam.
Okay. Yeah, good morning, Jai Shri Krishna. And to Mahesh Ji, Sheetal Ji, and Parameswar Ji, and also all the fellow members in this group. Thank you for this opportunity. I really enjoyed the session very much. In fact, I started reading the Bhagavad Gita with a group of friends more than 5 years ago. And we used to chant, but this chanting that I have joined now with Gita Parivar and all of you has really made me improve a lot. So I really appreciate all of you, and you are also dedicated. Okay, and thank you for your time for us. Okay, your patience with us and all those things, and your guidance. Thank you very much to all of you. Jai Shri Krishna.
Now, next.
Yeah.
Prabha Rauji wants to say something. I'll just unmute her. Prabha Rauji, you can unmute yourself.
Jai Shri Krishna Bhaiya. Jai Shri Krishna Parmeshwari Didi. Jai Shri Krishna Sheetal Didi. Very nice to know you all. Parmeshwari Didi, in the level 1 also you were with us only. So 6 o'clock batch. So very nice, really. Every shloka you unmuted, it's all because of you that we have been able to recite. Sheetal Didi, your grammatical corrections, hats off, no words at all. Koti Koti Vandan to both of you, really. My journey of Gita started from last April when the corona began, you know. So we are actually Teluguites. In Telugu channel, they started explaining about Gita. So that is when my interest really came up, and I thought that no, I should. And by then, it was like a blessing in disguise that one of my friends said that, you know, Gita Parivar is doing with the Gita chanting classes. I have also registered myself for the 3rd level also. Again, same morning, first batch. So I'm really grateful to Gita Parivar. Hats off to you people, Mahesh Bhai.
You got muted by mistake. Prabhaji, you're not audible.
I think there is an internet issue at her end. Her video seems frozen.
I guess we lost it. Sorry.
Come back. Welcome back.
May I?
Yes, yes, please.
Yes.
Please continue.
Yeah, so hats off. Thank you very much. I mean, I'm really indebted, and this gives me an opportunity to early rise, early to bed. Most important thing which I learned. Second is like the peace. Really, I mean, I used to overreact probably to a lot of things, which has given me a lot of control. That, you know, this is not it. I have to like keep myself in peace and positive. This chanting, one day I miss it, the whole positivity goes. So the early morning chanting keeps me the whole day on my toes. Thank you, thank you. I mean, koti koti vandan to all of you all. Everybody from Jia, Neha, Anagha. I mean, it's so inspiring. Each one of you all. And Sanjeev Bhaiya, Mahesh Bhaiya, everybody. I mean, I'm really indebted to all of you. Each one of you. You know, looking at your faces give me like the most energy that I require the whole day. Thank you all. Thank you very much.
Even I would like to add to this, reciting of chanting of the shlokas, Sanskrit shlokas. Of course, Bhagavad Gita is great, but any of the shlokas chanting in Sanskrit, it directly works onto your vagus nerve. We look at the movies like Oh My God, Vagera, and we come to know ki, I have to know the meaning of this and that, Vagera. If you know the meaning, that is well and good. But even if you don't know the meaning, I don't know how, but scientifically it has been proven that chanting of Sanskrit shloka directly works on your vagus nerve. So somewhere, whenever you attend the class in the morning, you are chanting by your own, as well you are listening to others chanting. So it works onto you. And whenever you skip the class, that day you will find that something is missing, and you will find some change of a kind of change in your behavior too. So knowingly or unknowingly, but it takes place in your body. It directly works on your hormones. From tomorrow onward, you will remember these things. Yes, this really works.
It does.
है ना?
Neha ji, next.
Jai Shri Krishna, everybody. And
Jai
first of all, as Balaji always says, Om Shri Guru Bhyo Namaha. Guru Gobind dono khade kaake lagu paye. Balihari Guru tune Govind diyo bataye. No words to express my gratitude towards Sheetal Didi, Parmeshwari Didi, and Mahesh ji. I mean, as Prabhaji already said, it's so positive every morning to attend this. The things that I learned from this, I have always carried Bhagavad Gita with me. Initially when I was a teenager, I was like, it's so boring. I don't understand why do people read this. Then I started carrying it once I finished my graduation, and I always kept it in my clinic also, but never read it. I always felt I want to read, and somehow, finally, when one of my friends told me that Neha, this is something and you should attend it, I immediately grasped the opportunity, and I think that was one of the best decisions of my life. It has taught me so many things, so many things. First of all, to begin with, the sense of priority. Like, I took up the first morning batch, and then I made it a point that no matter what, I have to do it. I had to adjust my schedule here and there. I had to wake up a little early, but it's not a burden anymore. It's a pleasure. So one thing I realized: when there is a will, there is a way. If you want to do, you will do it. Second thing, the dedication. I mean, the joy of giving, the selfless service that you all are providing is so inspiring. Along with the chanting, I mean, that sense of gratitude is increasing day by day, and I'm also getting inspired to serve as a volunteer. I have to still work on my schedule for that, but that's definitely inspiring. And the effect is there on my personal self that I can very well see. I mean, the consciousness, the awareness has increased about everything. As Prabhaji said, I used to react to a lot of things. Now I think before reacting, and that solves a lot of things. I mean, it has brought in a lot more stability, the calmness of mind, and the other perspective of looking at things. So that has helped me a lot. And surprisingly, I am noticing that there is a change in my surroundings as well. So earlier, I did not tell my family members also initially that I'm chanting this, because people might ridicule, people do not understand. But gradually, I can see that my little daughter, my family members, my friends, everyone around is feeling the vibe. They are asking me, okay, Neha, what is this? What are you doing? And that's really amazing. And I'm so glad that many people have joined. Whoever I suggested, out of them, many have joined, including children, and they are completing their level 1. That's very, very inspiring. I mean, there is so much of enrichment in general. There is something in the air. The aura itself has increased a lot. So, I mean, it's been a life transforming experience for me, and I am so grateful to Gita Parivar. I have no words to express it.
ಕೊಡತಾ
Thank you.
ಜೀರ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿಯನ ಪೀಡಿತೆ
Good.
ಅಯ್ಯನ್ ಹಾಕನ್ನ
Yes. Sandhya ji?
I'll just, Sandhya ji wants to say, you can call out the name Sheetalji so that.
No, Parameshwari Didi. This is Parameshwari Didi's department to call out the name.
No,
Yes,
no,
Parameshwari
ASG
Didi.
is the host now.
I'm the host, but you can call out the names. I'll unmute.
Yes, Didi.
Okay. Sandhya ji, please come forward. Please unmute
हाँ,
yourself.
अब क्लास में जाना ही.
One second, let us begin with, I'll unmute mute everyone, and then Dipti ji,
Actually, everybody can unmute themselves, no issue.
no, I've muted everyone now. Others, Dipti ji Parikh, our special guest, is there with us. So everyone else, please mute. And I'm sharing just one slide. 1 second.
हाँ, जय श्री कृष्ण काका जी, जय श्री कृष्ण शीतल जी,
जय श्री कृष्ण दीदी. Wow.
मनोहर भैया भी दिख रहे हैं. जय श्री कृष्ण सभी साधकों को जय श्री कृष्ण. Yes, I don't need this. I'll lead the slide a few minutes later. So let me say my prayers and then I'll begin. शान्ताकारं भुजगशयनं पद्मनाभं सुरेशं विश्वाधारं गगनसदृशं मेघवर्णम् शुभाङ्गं लक्ष्मीकान्तं कमलनयनं योगिभिर्ध्यानगम्यं वन्दे विष्णुं भवभयहरम् सर्वलोकैकनाथम्.
Wow.
Jai Shri Krishna to everyone. It's a great honor and privilege for me to join you all today. First of all, I would like to congratulate you all on completing level 2, learning 6 chapters in total. Under the able guidance of Sheetalji, you all have worked very hard to learn the basics of pronunciation and grammar. Now, as you will progress through more advanced levels 3 and 4, you'll get more and more comfortable with pronunciation. So at this stage, I would like to share some thoughts with you all. So, like you all, I also joined Gita Parivar online, and I lived in Germany at that time. And it was Ishwar Kripa that I could learn how to chant Gita in the comfort of my own home. So, learning Srimad Bhagavad Gita has probably never been easier and more accessible than it is today. The fact that all of us are here today proves that we are desirous of advancement on this path of spiritual discipline. And Gita is the most wonderful scripture. For no other scripture, Bhagwan has said anything similar. Gita me hridayam partha, Gita me saramuttamam. So Gita is the heart of Sri Krishna. It is identical with Bhagwan himself. In the words of God realized soul Param Shraddheya, Sri Jayadayalji Goenka, Sethji, when Gita is studied with a devout and concentrated mind, every word of it appears pregnant with deep spiritual meaning. Every word, every syllable. So if one studies Gita with full devotion and dedication, knowledge of no other scripture is required. You can study it as an aid, but it's not entirely necessary. Gita sugita कर्तव्या किमन्यै शास्त्र विस्तरैः. गीता सुगीता करने योग्य है. इसका मतलब है इसको पढ़कर अर्थ सहित और भाव सहित अंतःकरण में धारण करना है. एंड दैट इज़ आवर प्राइमरी ड्यूटी. इट शुड बी आवर प्राइमरी गोल, क्योंकि ये भगवान की वाणी है. भगवान का नाम लेने से अगर हम तरते हैं तो भगवान की जो वाणी है वो तो भगवान ही है. फिर उनके नाम में और उनमें कोई फ़र्क नहीं है. उनकी वाणी में और भगवान में कोई फ़र्क नहीं है. सो वी मस्ट स्ट्राइव टू स्टडी, मेमोराइज एंड अंडरस्टैंड गीता. And since it is the epitome of all Vedic knowledge, we do not need to worry about studying other scriptures. Now, Gita can be incorporated on several levels. First is paying close attention to the letters while we recite. So that's what we all learn in Gita Parivar. एक एक अक्षर को ध्यान से पढ़ना, stress wherever it is necessary, take care of the short and the long vowel sounds. उन सब बातों का ध्यान रख के we learn how to chant correctly. And that is step 1. But please remember, it is only step 1. Now step 2. That is fondly chanting Gita in a melodious voice. Bhavam Purna Madhur Gayan. That is the next level, which is better than mere correct recitation. Now the third step. This is extremely important. I can't emphasize it more than I'm doing it right now. So if the chanting is done with the knowledge of its meaning, understanding each and every word while we are chanting, then it is even more superior. I will give a short demo of this step in a few minutes from now. And the fourth step is finally molding one's life according to the teachings of Gita. That is the best of all. So those of you who are not able to memorize, please don't be disheartened. It will not matter that much. So if you understand, as long as you understand each and every word while you chant, then it will do you all, all the good. So do not worry if you can't memorize it. And the motto of Gita Parivar is also Gita Padhe Padhaye Jeevan Mein Laaye. So the last part, Jeevan Mein Laaye, is something that we should remember every single day, because that is the real purpose of Krishna's message. Now that is why we are all learning Gita. Just mere correct chanting will not bring about any transformation in our lives. So I urge you all to devote some time daily before or after the class to understand the meaning of the shloks, and the joy and the satisfaction you will experience, it will increase multiple times. So let us look at one shlok, which is one of my favorite shloks from the 9th chapter.
It's on the screen, दीदी.
जी जी, थैंक यू. तो इसका अभी मैंने जो आप लोगों को स्टेप्स बताए उसमें थर्ड स्टेप आई सेड कि एक एक वर्ड को ध्यान से पढ़ना है, रीड ईच एंड एवरी वर्ड केयरफुली एंड देन imbibe the meaning and then chant correctly. That's the complete process of how you should chant Gita. It's not just looking at short and long sounds and just chanting it monotonously, without paying attention to what you are chanting. So that understanding part, so that is what we are going to do right now. We'll just take a small example because we don't have enough time. So I hope all of you understand basic Hindi. I will speak.
Yes,
हाँ, तो हिंदी में इसलिए बोलूँगी because much is lost in translation. So when it comes to telling the word meanings, I prefer to stick to Hindi unless people don't understand Hindi at all. Then it's a different thing. तो अभी यहाँ पर इस श्लोक को हम देखेंगे. So it's the 22nd श्लोक. अनन्याश्चिन्तयन्तो मां ये जनाः पर्युपासते तेषां नित्याभियुक्तानां योगक्षेमं वहाम्यहम्. तो सारे वर्ड्स को हम देखेंगे इसमें क्या क्या आए हैं. फर्स्ट इज अनन्याः चिन्तयन्तः माम. These three words together make the first charan. So the basic idea of the shlok is that Shri Krishna Bhagwan here gives a motherly assurance to people who surrender completely to him, that he will take total responsibility of those ananya bhaktas that surrender completely to him. वो ऐसी प्रतिज्ञा यहाँ कर रहे हैं कि मैं अपने अनन्य भक्तों का स्वयं योगक्षेम वहन करूँगा. अब समझते हैं कि योगक्षेमम क्या है. तो अनन्याः चिन्तयन्तः माम, और जब संधि हुई देन इट बिकेम लाइक दिस वन वर्ड. तो अनन्याः मतलब भगवान का अनन्य भक्त, अनन्य प्रेमी. जैसे मीराबाई बोलती हैं, मेरे तो गिरधर गोपाल दूसरों न कोई. दैट इज़ अनन्य भक्ति. जो प्रहलाद में थी, जो मीराबाई में थी, वो है भगवान की अनन्य भक्ति. मतलब और किसी का आश्रय न लेना और किसी से कोई आशा न रखना, केवल भगवान से आशा रखना, केवल उनके आश्रित होना, इस अनन्य भक्ति. तो केवल भगवान के ही शरण होना. तो जो अनन्य भक्त होते हैं उनके जो साधन हैं और जो साध्य हैं वो दोनों केवल भगवान होते हैं. इसके अलावा उन्हें किसी चीज़ से कोई मतलब नहीं होता, किसी चीज़ की कोई इच्छा नहीं होती, ये तक कि अपने जीवन निर्वाह की भी इच्छा नहीं होती. उनको केवल भगवान से मतलब है और कोई नहीं. एक बानी करुणा निधान की सुप्रियता की गति न. तुलसीदास जी has said the same things in different words. तो यहाँ पर अनन्य भक्ति वो हमको समझ आई. अब चिंतयन्तः, that is the next word. तो निरंतर चिंतन करते हुए, when your mind is constantly fixed on him. So whatever you are doing with your hands, with your physical body, with your indriya, but your mind, your concentration is, he's not in the back of your mind. The activities are at the back, he's in the forefront of your mind. So you're constantly meditating on him, constantly thinking of him. That is चिंतयन्तः, नित्य निरंतर भगवान का चिंतन करते हुए. तो चाहे वो जो भी कुछ करें, जो भी अपनी डेली एक्टिविटीज़ करें, खाना पीना, चलना फिरना, उठना बैठा, जागना सोना, गीता पढ़ना, जो कुछ भी हम कर रहे हैं वो खुद के लिए नहीं, वो केवल भगवान के लिए कर रहे हैं. तुलसीदास जी ने भी ऐसा प्रिस्क्राइब किया है. कर से कर्म करिए विधि नाना, हृदय राखी जहाँ कृपा निधाना. उत्तम के अस बस मन माही, सपने हुआन पुरुष जग नाही. सपने हुआन पुरुष जग नाही. तो तो हर वक्त हम चाहे जो भी काम करें, चिंतन केवल भगवान का हो, केवल भगवान के लिए करें। भाई जी की एक प्रार्थना है जो मैं रोज़ गाती हूँ बचपन से और अपनी क्लास में भी अक्सर कोट करती हूँ कि प्रतिपल निज इंद्रिय समूह से जो कुछ भी आचार करूं, केवल तुझे रिझाने को बस तेरा ही व्यवहार करूं। कर प्रणाम तेरे चरणों में, लगता हूँ अब तेरे काज करने को मैं अब नियुक्त हो रहा हूँ। मेरे काज नहीं, क्योंकि वो विषयासक्त नहीं है, उसको खुद के लिए कुछ भी नहीं करना। अगर वो खाना भी खा रहा है तो भगवान के लिए खा रहा है। तो ऐसा होता है अनन्य भक्त और ऐसा होता है कांस्टेंट चिंतन। तो फर्स्ट 2 वर्ड्स हमने अभी समझे, अनन्याः चिंतयन्तः। तीसरा वर्ड है माम। माम मतलब मेरा, जो भगवान का सगुण साकार रूप है, मुझ परमेश्वर का चिंतन। ये जनाः पर्युपासते, ये मतलब जो, जनाः मतलब भक्तजन, डिवोटीज, पर्युपासते। नाउ दिस इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट वर्ड एंड इट हैज अपीयर्ड सेवरल टाइम्स, 12th चैप्टर में भी आया है। परितः एंड उपासते, दीज 2 वर्ड्स आर कंबाइंड। तो परितः उपासते मतलब अच्छी तरह से, भली भांति से उपासना करना। नाउ व्हाट इज अच्छी तरह से उपासना करना? निष्काम भाव से, जब हमें बदले में कुछ नहीं चाहिए। हम इसलिए भजन पूजन नहीं कर रहे कि हमको बदले में ये चाहिए, भगवान मुझे पास कर दो, मेरी अच्छी मार्क्स ला दो, मेरी नौकरी लगवा दो, मुझे बेटा दे दो, यू नो ऑल दोज डिज़ायर्स। सो देर इज़ नो डिज़ायर, देर इज़ नो अल्टीरियर मोटिव एंड वी जस्ट डू भजन विद निष्काम भाव। तो इस तरह की जो उपासना होती है वो पर्युपासते। अगली लाइन देखेंगे, तेषां नित्याभियुक्ता नाम। तो तेषाम मतलब उन, और नित्याभियुक्ता नाम, नित्य अभियुक्ता नाम मतलब नित्य निरंतर मेरा चिंतन करने वाले मनुष्यों का। तो भगवान ने पहले भी ये कहा, अनन्याश्चिंतयन्तो, चिंतयन्तः, उस जगह भी भगवान ने ये कहा। तो यहाँ नित्याभियुक्ता नाम, ये जो पद है, ये जो वर्ड है, इसका क्या मतलब हुआ? इसका मतलब हुआ 3 क्वालिटीज़। पहला, भगवान का अनन्य प्रेमी होना, अनन्य भक्त होना, जो संसार से विमुख होकर केवल भगवान को ही चाहते हों। दूसरी क्वालिटी, केवल भगवान के सम्मुख हो जाना, ये भगवान का चिंतन हो गया। तो भगवान के सम्मुख हो जाना मतलब क्या? टर्न टूवर्ड्स गॉड। बट व्हाट इज़ इट एग्जैक्टली? सो इट इज़ सच्चे मन से मान लेना, हे नाथ मैं आपका हूँ, आपके अलावा मेरा कोई नहीं और मैं आपका हूँ। इसमें बड़ा अधिकार है और इसको सच्चे मन से मान लेना, ये ईश्वर के सम्मुख हो जाना होता है। तुलसीदास जी ने कहा है, सन्मुख हो जीव मोहि जबहि, जन्म कोटि अस ना सही तबहि। तो जन्मों जन्मों के पाप जो हैं वो दूर हो जाते हैं जैसे ही जीव ईश्वर के सम्मुख होता है। हम लोग कितनी पूजा, यज्ञ, दान, ताप, व्रत और पता नहीं क्या क्या करते हैं, लेकिन ये उससे कंपैरेटिवली ईजी है। ऐसा संतों का कहना है कि सिर्फ एक पल लगता है भगवान के सम्मुख होने में। हमें मानना है कि हे नाथ मैं आपका हूँ। तो तेषां नित्याभियुक्ता नाम, जिसमें ये तीनों क्वालिटीज़ हैं, उपासना वाला पर्युपासते भी बता दिया। तो अनन्य भक्ति, भगवान का चिंतन और उपासना करना निष्काम भाव से, जिसमें ये तीनों क्वालिटीज़ हैं, वो भक्त नित्याभियुक्त है। और ऐसे भक्त का क्या होता है? योगक्षेमम वहाम्यहम। तो अब योगक्षेमम, उसका योगक्षेम जो है वो मैं वहन करता हूँ। इसका मतलब क्या? टोटल दायित्व, उसकी टोटल कंप्लीट रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी मेरी है। तो भक्त प्रहलाद और मीरा के एग्जाम्पल से इसको समझेंगे कि इनके लाइफ में जो जो भी दिक्कतें आई, उसको भगवान ने सारी दिक्कतों को दूर करते गए। विष का प्याला राणा जी ने भेजा, पीवत मीरा हाँसी रहे, कुछ भी नहीं हुआ विष पीने से। प्रहलाद होलिका की गोदी में बैठ के भुआ जल गई और प्रहलाद बिल्कुल ठीक, कुछ भी नहीं हुआ उनको। तो ये जितनी भी बाधाएं आई, भगवान ने उन सबको दूर किया। तो ये होता है योगक्षेम। तो योग, वैसे इसका बेसिक अर्थ है जो अप्राप्त है उसकी प्राप्ति होना, योग है। और क्षेम का बेसिक अर्थ है कि जो प्राप्त चीज़ हुई है उसकी रक्षा करना। लेकिन अगर यहाँ गहराई से समझें तो योग मतलब भगवान के साथ संबंध, भगवत प्राप्ति, क्योंकि और तो कोई अप्राप्य वस्तु है ही नहीं, बाकी तो सब नाशवान है, प्राप्त करने लायक और कुछ है ही नहीं, तो वो एक ही चीज़ है। तो योग मतलब भगवत प्राप्ति, भगवान के साथ नित्य संबंध हो जाना, वो योग है। और क्षेम मतलब इस भगवत प्राप्ति में जो भी हमें साधन चाहिए उनकी जो रक्षा होती है वो भगवान स्वयं करते हैं। तो इसका मतलब ये नहीं लेना चाहिए कि अगर भक्त बहुत गरीब है तो भगवान ने उसको क्यों नहीं सब कुछ दे दिया, उसके लिए वो अच्छा नहीं होगा इसलिए नहीं दिया, क्योंकि भगवान हमसे ज़्यादा जानते हैं, उन्हें पता है कि वो क्या चीज़ हमारे पास होनी चाहिए, किस चीज़ में हमारा कल्याण है। और अपने भक्त का तो वो ऐसे ध्यान रखते हैं जैसे एक माँ अपने छोटे बच्चे का रखती है, इन्फेंट का जैसे रखती है। तो तुलसीदास जी ने भी कहा है, सुनु मुनु तेहि कहूँ सहरोसा, भजई जे मोहि तज सकल भरोसा, करऊँ सदा तिन के रखवारी, जिमि बालक राखई महतारी, जिमि बालक राखई महतारी। माँ की तरह ध्यान रखना। छोटा सा इन्फेंट है जिसे बोलना नहीं आता, कुछ भी नहीं आता, उसको ये भी नहीं पता उसे कब भूख लग रही है, कब उसे नहाना चाहिए, कब सोना चाहिए, माँ उसका ध्यान रखती है। इस तरह से भगवान अपने अनन्य भक्तों का ध्यान रखते हैं। ये है योगक्षेम, खुद स्वयं उसके काम करते हैं, उनको हमें रियलाइज़ नहीं होता लेकिन अनन्य भक्त को हो जाता है। तो भगवान में कंप्लीट सरेंडर जो लोग करते हैं उनका भगवान योगक्षेमम वहन करते हैं। तो ऐसे ही मतलब यहाँ पर मटेरियल नीड्स को नहीं सोचना चाहिए, स्पिरिचुअल नीड्स जो है हमारी स्पिरिचुअल पाथ की प्रोग्रेस में, क्योंकि वास्तविक बाधा क्या है जीवन में जिससे भगवान की विस्मृति हो जाए, जिससे हम भगवान को भूल जाएं। अगर किसी भक्त के जीवन में धन होना भगवान को भूलना है तो भगवान उसे निर्धन कर देंगे। अगर धन की प्राप्ति से उसे भगवान मिल रहे हैं, उसकी लाइफ इजी हो रही तो उसे धन दे देंगे। तो मतलब जो कुछ भी करेंगे भगवान का मंगलमय विधान जो होता है वो अपने भक्त के लिए होता है और वो मंगलमय ही होता है। तो उसमें अगर आम सेंस में अगर कुछ बुरा भी हो रहा है तो वो उसके लिए कल्याणकारी है, उसकी भगवत प्राप्ति में वो सहायक है, इसीलिए भगवान ऐसा कर रहे हैं। तो इस चीज़ को ऐसे ही समझना चाहिए। योगक्षेमम मतलब ये नहीं कि सारे डिज़ायर्स पूरे हो जाएं, लेकिन योगक्षेमम मतलब उसकी स्पिरिचुअल जो जर्नी है उसमें भगवान उसका सारा भार जो है वो स्वयं उठाते हैं। तो ऐसा मंगलमय विधान पर भरोसा होना चाहिए। तो ये इस श्लोक का एक एक वर्ड का अभी हमने अर्थ पढ़ा। तो ये मैंने इसलिए आप लोगों को बताया, मेरी जितनी कैपेबिलिटी है उस हिसाब से। आई एम अ वेरी न्यू साधक, सो आई एम नो एक्सपर्ट। संस्कृत का भी बहुत बहुत बेसिक नॉलेज है मुझे, लेकिन दिस इज़ द वे वी शुड बी स्टडिंग एवरी सिंगल श्लोक। तो आप लोग अगर क्लास में 3 श्लोक पढ़ते हैं तो आप लोग इस तरह से पढ़ें और इस तरह से फिर उसकी मीनिंग को इम्बाइब करें, उसके बाद सोचें। और जब आप चैंटिंग करें तो सिर्फ ह्रस्व दीर्घ और आघात में ना अटक जाएं। अब ये इसका मीनिंग भी साथ का साथ आप उसको मेडिटेट करते रहें और उसको बोलें, तो वो होगा भावपूर्ण मधुर गायन जो समझ कर किया गया होगा। क्योंकि जब तक ऐसा नहीं होगा तब तक गीता जी जीवन में नहीं आएंगी, और जीवन में नहीं आएंगी तो पढ़ने का फ़ायदा क्या। तो हमारा अल्टीमेट एम जो है एवरी डे हमको उसको याद रखना है। जो आप लोग क्लास में पढ़ें, अब लेवल 3 में आप लोग आ गए हैं, सो यू आर ऑलरेडी कंफर्टेबल विद प्रोनाउंसिएशन। तो अब आप लोग इस तरह से उसको रोज़ स्टडी करें और हर एक वर्ड को स्टडी करें, उसके बारे में सोचें और भावार्थ सहित मतलब उसका अध्ययन करें और उसके बाद ही आप लोग चैंटिंग करें। अब बिफोर आई कंक्लूड आई वुड लाइक टू चैंट अ फ्यू श्लोक्स फ्रॉम दिस चैप्टर, और उसके बाद मेरी क्लास है, वरना मैं और रुकती आप लोगों के साथ, लेकिन आई विल हैव टू लीव। तो श्लोक नंबर 20 लगाएंगे क्या? त्रैविद्या मां सोमपाः पूतपापा यज्ञैरिष्ट्वा स्वर्गतिं प्रार्थयन्ते ते पुण्यमाप्नुते सुरेन्द्रलोकम् अश्नन्ति दिव्यान् दिवि देव तीतं भुक्त्वा स्वर्गलोकं विशालं क्षीणे पुण्ये मर्त्यलोकं विशन्ति एवं त्रयी धर्ममनुप्रपन्ना गतागतं कामकामा लभन्ते अनन्याश्चिन्तयन्तो मां ये जनाः पर्युपासते तेषां नित्याभियुक्तानां योगक्षेमं वहाम्यहम्।
हम तो धन्य हो गए दीदी, आज आपके दर्शन हो गए। थैंक्स अ लॉट फॉर बीइंग विद अस टुडे।
आई एम वेरी हैप्पी टू बी हियर, आई एम वेरी हैप्पी। और बस मैं और ज़्यादा रुकती, लेकिन मेरी क्लास है तो इसलिए मुझे जाना पड़ेगा। सो आई विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट इन योर जर्नी on to this path of Bhagavad Gita, and I'm confident that you all will try your best to learn the shlokas with correct pronunciation and with also the meaning. I would like to just say Jai Shri Krishna and my pranam to all the sadhaks here today, and I'll be forever grateful to Gita Parivar for initiating me on this path. Thank you so much Sheetal ji, Mahesh Kaka ji, Parameshwari ji for having me here today. It was great to be here.
Thank you. I missed seeing you because I was sharing the screen, so I was just only listening to you.
अच्छा ओके ओके, मैंने आपको लास्ट
थैंक यू सो मच दीप्ति दीदी। सो
Blessing us all.
दीदी आपको तो साक्षात देख करके हम तो धन्य हो गए, इतना सुंदर, इतना अच्छा। आप जर्मनी से पूरा
अरे ये तो टेक्नोलॉजी का फायदा है, मुझे लगता है टेक्नोलॉजी
आपको सुना था खाली, आज आपको प्रत्यक्ष।
Didi, I'm listening for the first time. Hats off, my God. I mean, I am like, no words to express. I am getting goosebumps.
Thank you.
Honestly, you have inspired.
I have heard your recording so often, and I can't believe I'm listening to you live. It's so amazing. I mean, it's just a beautiful experience today. Thank you so much for being here, Didi.
No, thank you for having me here. इस श्लोक को मैंने चुना तो फिर मैंने खुद उस पर सोचा कि मुझे क्यों पसंद है. So this gave me an opportunity to meditate more on this particular श्लोक. तो मैं यही सोच रही थी कि क्या बात करेंगे हम लोग आज, क्या चर्चा हो जो सार्थक हो. So and then I decided this श्लोक. तो थैंक यू. मेरा सत्संग आज थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो गया. अब मेरी क्लास है तो वहाँ 40 मिनट रोज़ होते हैं. Thank you so much for having me here, and I wish I could stay and learn a little bit more about you all, but unfortunately I have to leave, so I'll have to say goodbye. And level 3 में आप लोग जाएं और खूब अच्छे से हर श्लोक पढ़ें, मनन करें, चिंतन करें. और बच्चा भी एक जिया हाँ, तो बच्चों पे अप्लाई नहीं होता ज़्यादा. जो छोटे हैं वो लोग सिर्फ याद कर लें अभी, बाकी धीरे धीरे अपने आप गीता मैया कृपा करती हैं तो अर्थ अपने आप ही समझ आने लगता है. तो लेकिन बड़ों से मेरी रिक्वेस्ट है कि उच्चारण पर जितना ध्यान देते हैं उतना ही ध्यान उसके अर्थ पर भी दें.
Yes,
Thank you
Didi.
so much, Dipti
Didi,
ji.
if you have 1 minute, you can listen to Jia also. She, not almost, but she is your copy. If you have 1 minute, please listen to Jia.
Okay.
Jia, any of the one shloka beta. Jia, are you there, bacha? Jia. Jia.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, yes.
Yes,
Yeah.
beta, now you are. Any of the shloka beta?
Ma'am, 22nd.
Bhaiya, you need to share the screen, I guess. है ना Jia? Do you have printout?
Which,
Ma'am, actually I just opened it today.
Very good. Chalo. Actually, Didi has a class.
which chapter? Which chapter?
Bhaiya, Annie, she can Any.
12th चैप्टर का गा दो बेटा, 12th चैप्टर का गा दो, फर्स्ट श्लोक।
One second.
जिया आपको याद होगा है ना, जो भी आपको आता है जल्दी से, क्योंकि दीदी का क्लास है ना।
12 चैप्टर नहीं है मेरे पास।
ठीक है, हम आपको दीदी हम जिया की रिकॉर्डिंग आपको भेज देंगे। बट जब भी whenever जिया recites her श्लोका, मेरा लिंक डायरेक्टली आपसे हो जाता है, इतना कनेक्ट होता है।
अरे वाह अजय, आपको करना है रिसाइट? आई हैव 1 मिनट।
बेटा अगर नहीं हो रहा है तो
I'll put a 9th chapter in a sloka.
यस भैया, थैंक यू। जिया बी फास्ट बेटा।
राजा कोई भी अच्छा है,
कोई भी जिया बी फास्ट बेटा।
only.
बेटा जो है उसे रीड कर लो। जिया
अश्रुधारा पुरुषा धर्मस्यास्य परन्तप अप्राप्यमाने वर्तन्ते मृत्यु संसार वर्तनी।
वेरी स्वीट वेरी स्वीट। जिया तो मुझसे अच्छा गाती है, मेरे जैसा नहीं, मुझसे अच्छा।
Whenever जब भी जिया गाती है मुझे आपकी याद आती है। So you are always present in the class actually.
That is very sweet of you. तो अभी I beg to leave now.
Thanks a lot. Yes, thank you so much. Yeah.
जय श्री कृष्ण, प्रणाम।
जय श्री कृष्ण, प्रणाम। वाह भैया, आपने तो हमारा दिन एकदम मेमोरेबल कर दिया, इतना सुंदर सरप्राइज।
आपका स्पॉटलाइट है।
हर इंसान का ऑरा बोलता है, हर इंसान का। तो जैसे पहली बार काकी जी को मिले थे और वो दिन ऐसे लगा कि भाई एकदम मेमोरेबल डे ऑफ द लाइफ, सेम फीलिंग टुडे वी आर हैविंग। So for me also it was a great surprise to have Dipti Didi in our Anand Mahotsav and listening to her and her ideas, everything. So 22nd of October, the memorable day of my life. Thanks a lot, Mahesh Bhaiya.
अध्याय 9 का श्लोक नंबर 22।
Yes, wow. This was really amazing moments. These last 30 minutes was just wow for me. Nice.
Oh, Shitalji, this is my Guru Dakshina for you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I wish मेरे हर ग्रुप में आप ही मेरे जीसी बने और हर बार इतनी अच्छी गुरु दक्षिणा आप हम आपसे लेते रहे। Wow.
Now let us start and go ahead with the program.
Yes.
You can just invite people, they can unmute themselves.
Yes, we will go in alphabetical order only. भैया आज अनघा नहीं मिल रही है, क्या बात है?
अनघा आई नहीं।
आई थी, ओ हम अनघा की मम्मी को सुनाते थे। चलो चेतना जी, हम सीरियल ऑर्डर में ही जाते हैं ना? चेतना जी।
जय श्री कृष्ण।
जय श्री कृष्ण।
मेरी बचपन से ख्वाहिश थी, मैं अपनी दादी को सुनती थी, वो गीता पढ़ती थी, तो मुझे बहुत ही मतलब होता था छोटी थी कि पता नहीं मैं कभी ये प्रोसेस में जा पाऊंगी करके। और उसके बाद तो लाइफ में थोड़े थोड़े बिजी होते थे, तो अपने हिसाब से गायत्री मंत्र वो सब करते थे, वो पठन वो सब करते थे, लेकिन इस लेवल पर पहुंचना शायद सोचा नहीं था कि कभी कर पाएंगे करके। लेकिन एक फ्रेंड ने सजेस्ट किया और एंटर हुए। 2-3 बार मैंने क्लासेस भी मिस की, लेकिन फिर भी यहाँ तक पहुंची हूँ। आप जैसे गुरु की कृपा से ये सब पॉसिबल हुआ है, तो गीता परिवार का मैं पूरे दिल से धन्यवाद करती हूँ। थैंक यू वेरी मच। जय श्री कृष्ण।
जय श्री कृष्ण।
दिव्यश्री,
देखिए कृपा तो भगवान की है हम सब पे। बताना चाहूंगी कि दिस मैसेज सर्कुलेट्स एवरीवेयर, है ना, बट देयर आर वेरी फ्यू पीपल हु कैन ग्रैब दैट अपॉर्चुनिटी। बहुत कम लोग हैं, संधि सबको मिल रही है, अपॉर्चुनिटी हर किसी के डोर पे नॉक कर रही है, बट बहुत कम लोग होते हैं जो उसको तुरंत ग्रैब करते हैं। हमारे क्लास में गिन के 15 लोग ऐसे हैं जिन्होंने आज तक कभी भी क्लास मिस नहीं किया। तो भगवान की कृपा तो सब पे है, लेकिन उस कृपा को लेने के लिए जो हमारे पास होता है वो भी बहुत जरूरी है। I went in a course, a kind of meditation course, and on the very first day, that भैया said that भगवान यहाँ पे कृपा सब पे बरसाएंगे, लेकिन आप किस चीज के साथ आए हो। You brought a spoon और बॉल और बड़ा कटोरा लाए हो, या बहुत बड़ा बर्तन लाए हो, या बहुत बड़ी चादर लाए हो। So what you came with to grab that blessings, that is up to you, है ना। तो वैसे है, भगवान कृपा हम सब पे कर रहे हैं, हम उसको कितना ले रहे हैं ये हम लोगों पे है ना। चलो, बहुत अच्छा लगा आपको सुन के।
थैंक यू।
यस, नागेश भैया।
Jai Shri Krishna.
जय श्री कृष्णा।
It has been a very unique experience of involvement with Gita Parivar, and particularly the last half an hour with I think Deepti Didi.
Yes.
Yeah, that was simply wonderful. I involve myself in a lot of activities, spiritual activities and service activities also. So I have had a lot of unique experiences. Okay. So I need not, unique experience in its own way. So such things have really brought me to this. And one should be blessed to be attended to such classes and such lectures. So it has been simply wonderful. Gita Parivar team, Sheetal Didi, Parmeshwari Didi, and Mahesh Ji, I am very thankful to each and every one of you. Particularly the care you have taken, so much concern that only a mother can have for the children. So that sort of feeling we get. Even though I am not a youngster now, okay, but I don't consider myself to be old. Okay, it's a learning experience. Go on adding value to yourself in whatever positive way. From everybody, we can learn something or the other. Everyone. Yes, because I work in a certain position as an organization. There are so many people who work below me, some are above me, but still you can learn some good from everybody. So that way I take things. Okay, I may not be good at everything, but there is a scope for learning. And there was a point when I didn't believe when I was a youngster, but now I have become an ardent devotee. I love Krishna. I am thankful. It was a great initiative. It has been a great initiative. So many people are doing so much service. Wonderful. Thank you very much. Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Shri
जय श्री
Krishna.
कृष्णा।
Third, I'd like to invite our BC, batch coordinator Sadhar Srivastava, and also request her to share to the honors of inaugurating our group video of the class also. So Sadhar, I'll just make you host for the moment.
Yeah, भैया, please, thank you. जय श्री कृष्णा सभी को।
जय श्री कृष्णा दीदी।
जय श्री कृष्णा शीतल दीदी।
You can spotlight yourself, please. And
Yeah, it's okay. First, we'll play the video.
yeah,
So
thank you.
which Bhaiya has prepared for all of you. Very beautiful. Just let me know whether the sound and everything is fine.
त्यागशील सेवा व्रतधारी युवा जगे पुरुषार्थी त्यागशील सेवा व्रतधारी युवा जगे पुरुषार्थी वैज्ञानिकता विनय सभ्यता स्वभाव हो निस्वार्थी स्वभाव हो निस्वार्थी देशभक्ति में तेजस्वी हो फिर समाज यह सारा गीता परिवार हमारा गीता परिवार
నా ఫోటో వచ్చింది.
महावीर गोविंद शिवाजी बुद्ध गगन के तारे महावीर गोविंद शिवाजी बुद्ध गगन के तारे परंपरा की पुण्य चेतना उर में हम सब धारे उर में हम सब धारे बाल हृदय में से जगा कर जगे देश यह सारा गीता परिवार हमारा गीता परिवार हमारा त्यागो सारी दुर्बलता को राष्ट्र समर्थ बनाओ त्यागो सारी दुर्बलता को राष्ट्र समर्थ बनाओ
Jai Shri Krishna, Sadaji. I'd like
Jai Shri
to.
Krishna. Very beautiful and very creative video, Mahesh Bhaiya, indeed. And it's really nice to see you all. Yes, Mahesh Bhaiya.
Yeah, please say a few words. You are our busy batch coordinator.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Yeah, I just congratulate everyone. You all have completed your level 2 and now you will be going to level 3. I just request continue the journey till level 4, complete all the chapters, all the like whatever is remaining, continue. Maybe time issues will come, everything is open now, you have to go office, you have to go colleges, everything started, but still find out 40 minutes in a day to continue your Gita journey. Don't leave in between. Maybe the reason it will be tough, I know, because we are also managing home, managing office, managing everything, and then too serving in Gita. So I know that 40 minutes you can make out if you really wish to continue. So I just request everyone, please complete the level 4. And what like I'm seeing many people as very good recitation you are doing. So please come and join Gita Sevi also. You can be tech, trainer, GC, whatever you are good at. You can come and join us. And I can guarantee you the feeling you have as a participant, that will be doubled when you be the Gita Sevi. Because serving Gita, you feel a accomplishment in your own life. So just I request you, everyone, come and be with us. Help us in spreading Gita. Just be a Gita Sevi. Okay, and I have to leave Mahesh Bhaiya 7:30. I have a batch as a trainer, so I can't be late there. So thank you so much for having me here. Very well done, Sheetal Didi, Parmeshwari Didi, Mahesh Bhaiya. Very well you managed this batch. Thank you so very much, each and everyone. Congratulations.
Sheetal, you would like to say anything?
Thank you, Shraddha Didi, for giving your time. Yes,
Yeah.
thanks a lot.
Thank you, Ajali. Thank you, Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna.
Another guest, Manoharji, I'd like to ask him to say few words for a minute. And
Jai Shri Krishna.
Shri Krishna.
बहुत ही अच्छा लगा आज दीप्ति दीदी का और आप सब लोगों का जो अनुभव सुना गीता के बारे में। आप लेवल 2 से लेवल 3 में जा रहे हैं, बहुत ही अच्छा। मैं 2 लाइनें गीता दैनंदिन से है वो सुनाना चाहूंगा। मानव जन्म सुदुर्लभ पाकर, भजे नहीं मैंने भगवान। रचा पचा में रहा निरंतर, मिथ्या भोगों में सुख मान लिया मैंने जीवन का लक्ष्य एक इंद्रिय सुख भोग। बढ़ते रहे सहज ही समय, नए नए तन मन के रोग। बढ़ता रहा नित्य काम ज्वर, ममता राग मोह मदमान। हुई आत्मविस्मृति छाया, उन्माद मिट गया सारा ज्ञान। केवल आ बस गया चित्त में, राग द्वेष पूर्ण संसार। हुए उदय जीवन में लाखों, घोर पतन है तू विकार। समझा मैंने पुण्य पाप को, ध्रुव विनाश को बड़ा विकार। लोभ क्रोध द्वेष हिंसा वश, जाग उठा अग में उल्लास। जलने लगा हृदय में दारुण, अनल मिट गई सारी शांति। दंभ हो गया जीवन संबल, छाई अमिट सी भ्रांति। जीवन संध्या हुई आ गया इस जीवन का अंतिम काल। तब भी नहीं चेतना आई, टूटा नहीं मोह जंजाल। प्रभु कृपा कर अब इस पामर, पथ भ्रष्ट सहज उदार। चरण शरण ले कर दो, चरण शरण ले कर दो। नाथ अधम का उद्धार। मानव जन्म सुदुर्लभ पाकर, भजे नहीं मैंने भगवान। भजे नहीं मैंने भगवान।
Thank you, Manohar Bhaiya, for giving us some precious time of yours. He's from Kota, so thank you so much.
Okay, thank you, Bhaiya. But I know Manoj Bhaiya.
Yeah, everyone knows in Gita Parivar.
Yes, I know Manoj Bhaiya. Bhaiya, thanks a lot.
आज मैं पूरे टाइम इसलिए नहीं रह पाया, मतलब वो स्पॉटलाइट, क्योंकि मेरे क्या है सर्वाइकल और फ्रोजन शोल्डर हुआ है, इसलिए थोड़ा सा बैठने में और उसमें मेरे को पूरा वो थेरेपी और ट्रीटमेंट चल रहा है, इसलिए थोड़ी दिक्कत थी।
देखो भैया, इतने वो सर्वाइकल और फ्रोजन शोल्डर थोड़ा नहीं होता है, होता तो बड़ी चीज है, लेकिन फिर भी आप सेवा में हाजिर हो।
चलो नेक्स्ट पार्टिसिपेंट, आपका फेवरेट लैंग्वेज, चलो नेक्स्ट।
यस निकिता जी।
Jai Shri Krishna Mahesh Uncle, Manohar Bhaiya, Jai Shri Krishna to all the Gita sadhaks here.
निकिता जी के बारे में बोल रही हूँ, she's a child specialist doctor orthopedic from Solapur, and she is our BC, earlier BC, and she is one of the most senior faculty members. उनके look पे मत जाइएगा, but she is very senior, and she has kindly graced this opportunity, or rather accepted to grace this occasion due to my special request. So thank you so much. Nikita ji, please continue.
Mahesh uncle, you need not request. You just have to, show us the way. You have to come, and I will be there. Mahesh uncle is so respectable for me. He's such a fatherly body. So if Mahesh uncle says you have to come, I just cannot deny unless and until there is some emergency. So Jai Shri Krishna, everyone. Very much congratulations as you have completed the level 2, and now you are moving to the further journey for level 3. I'm very happy that many of you are there, and we will see you in the further journey also. I hope all of you will finish the level 4 too. And see, even if you don't appear for any exam, but chanting all the 18 chapter with 100% purity is also a blessing. So please complete all the levels, and once in a year at least do please, everyone should do the complete Gita Parayan once you are through the level 4. So with that expectation, you should complete the level 4. Yeah, now I have finished level 4. Now I can do one Parayan in a year. Any day, whichever is comfortable for you. So that will be a great achievement for your trainer if you do it. And I hope all of you have filled the form for level 3 also. If not, I don't think Mahesh uncle will leave any one of you without filling the form. He's such an active group coordinator. He's an inspiration for all of us. He's so active. He's group coordinator. I don't know at the age what he is, what I will be doing, but his energy is commendable. So thank you so much, Mahesh uncle, for inviting me. I enjoyed this session thoroughly. Dipti Didi and Shraddha Didi and Manohar Bhaiya, everybody. And I will try to stay here as long as possible.
Thank you so much.
Thanks a lot, Nikita ji.
Thank you, Sheetal Didi. Thank you, Parmeshwari Didi also.
Chalo, next.
So, Jia, would you like to speak, beta? Jia?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, chalo. Would you like to share your experience?
Yeah, first of all, I would like to say thank you to whole Gita Parivar for giving me a chance to learn Gita. In the first, when I joined the classes, I was not able to wake up in the morning, and then it came in my routine, and now if it's Sunday too, I wake up and do practice from 6:30 to 7:10. And nowadays I'm not doing little bit practice because my exams are near, but I do practice, and because of Gita I have in my Sanskrit period too, when ma'am teaches Sanskrit, so I feel that I have heard this word somewhere.
Great.
And many times happens that if she asks the meaning, sometimes I'm able to tell and sometimes I'm not. And also while I'm doing some work, if I have learned any shloka, so I recite it while doing the work. So I finish the work fastly and then again do a little bit practice and study.
Very nice, bacha. Very good.
Excellent.
The whole Gita Parivar.
Yes, beta. Chalo, now after Jia, Manoj Bhaiya. Manoj Ji Joshi.
Manoj ji, you can unmute yourself 1 second.
Then Sanjeev Bhaiya, Sanjeevani Ji.
Manoj ji is unmuted, I think.
Yes,
Hello.
Sanjeev Bhaiya. Sanjeev Bhaiya.
Now can you hear me? Can you hear me now?
Yes.
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 Manoj ji.
We
Achha.
can.
Jai Shri Krishna, everyone.
Jai Shri Krishna Bhaiya.
It is really my pleasure and honor to present myself in this Anandotsav, the wonderful time of the life. Really, I feel it is a wonderful time of the life. When I was listening to Dipti Didi, really the feeling came that it should continue like this. And such pleasures of the life, it is really not describable. It is unique experience. Anyway, any good thing has to end, and we are almost at the end of our second level. But it is also true that end to anything has a beginning for a new thing. And we are really so excited to go into the level 3 and learn more and more. But before we go there, it is really my duty to thank all those who have contributed, beginning with our Guru, Sheetal Didi. Really, without you, I really can't think of how the things would have gone. At the level 1, when I joined, I was really very curious about knowing the Gita. Of course, I read a lot about it, even listened to many of the experiences, many of the commentaries of the experts. But the way in which we started, it was really a wonderful experience. Initially, in the level 1, I was really upset that the focus was on chanting rather than understanding. I came with the purpose of understanding. But as the time went, really I felt that without right chanting, it is no meaning to know the say meaning of the shlokas. Chanting also makes a difference. And many of our expert speakers also mentioned the importance of chanting. Sheetal Didi, really I am thankful from bottom of my heart. Parmeshwari Didi, you are a really wonderful help to this particular session. Whenever we presented you our difficulties, we ask for anything, even repeatedly asking the same thing without any hesitation, without any getting upset. You used to feed us with the information. Mahesh Bhaiya, you are really available all the days. I have seen you every day almost, and your timely input has made us a difference. Whenever I am in the process of remembering how our this level 2 went, there are lots and lots and lots many people of Gita Parivar, it comes to my mind. Beginning with the Mahesh Bhaiya and all the expert speakers. Without them, the real nectar of the Gita would not have come to us. The more I learn only thing that how much I do not know so far. And this is really the, say, pleasure of learning. Whenever you learn something new, I always feel that the highlight is put in my mind that still there are so many things that we do not know. I really individually won't be able to thank all the people. There are hundreds and hundreds of people who made the videos for us, who made the programs for us, those who are coordinating the things. And really, lastly, my participants. Of course, being online, there was hardly any interaction possible to interact with each other. But still, the way in which everyone chanted, way in which everyone reacted, really we have made a family among the participants, even without interacting personally. Really, this is a wonderful experience and I look forward for learning more and more. Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much.
Yes, Priya. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Hello, next. Just call out the name. Neha ji, Prabha Rao ji.
Yeah, she spoke. Then Sanjeev Bhaiya and Sanjeevni
Sanjeev
Didi.
I also spoke.
Sanjeev ji.
Jai Shri Krishna. I wish to thank everybody.
Krishna Bhaiya.
Yeah. Since the sessions have been very inspiring and knowledgeable. Since जब से हम बच्चे थे तब से हम पढ़ते आए हैं, गीता सुनते आए हैं, कृष्ण और महाभारत और रामायण के बारे में, लेकिन ये मौका है जहाँ की हम करेक्ट प्रोनाउंसिएशन बोल सके, सही मायने में समझ सके और उसे गा सके। ये तीनों मायने में रख के बहुत अच्छा लगा। और जब कि मैं मौका मिलता हूँ, मैं सारे पाठ, मतलब जब संडे को नहीं होता है या सैटरडे को नहीं होता है, तो व्हाट आई डू इज
संजीव जी, आपका वीडियो चालू करेंगे प्लीज।
आई एम ऑन।
वीडियो आपका वीडियो नहीं है स्टार्ट।
या वीडियो
कुछ आ नहीं रहा है इसीलिए।
भैया स्विच द कैमरा।
या मैं ऑन ऑफ किया, अभी नहीं आ रहा है। मुझे दोनों
No,
दिख रहे हैं।
you are not visible, but for us you are not visible. हम नहीं देख पा रहे आपको।
Anyways, please continue. हो सकता है आपका वीडियो गलत डायरेक्शन में होगा, कैमरा
नहीं। The thing is, I can see myself in spotlight as well as in the inside.
Okay, but anyway, I'll continue.
Yes, Bhaiya, please continue.
I'm very happy to be associated with the Gita Parivar, and it has given me an opportunity to understand Gita, because I've been carrying the Gita and I'm sort of reciting as well as understanding it. But never had the opportunity to recite it correctly and then what I would say, understand the meaning which you have been explaining throughout these sessions. So it is really inspirational, and I found it very happy and satisfying through the busy days. Of course, my mother is not well, so I have to take out time for this and do. I am not able to do seva here at the moment because of my health of my mother.
Okay.
It's sort of bed and put more on her. So it has been the last 6 months. Whenever I get recite this together in one session, so that it gives me the total attention, whole body and mind and soul are in one go, so that the entire process of chanting is in.
Okay, Bhaiya.
Yes. And the team and the Gita Parivar. I look, yeah, can you see me now? Yeah. So,
not yet. Yes, Bhaiya. Chalo.
Sanjeevani ji.
I've been invited to.
Your voice is breaking, Bhaiya.
Okay.
I think now it should be better. Sanjeev,
Yes, we can do one thing. Sanjeev Bhaiya, leave the meeting and again rejoin. So whatever problems are there, yeah, we can overcome on it. है ना?
Sure.
But please rejoin, huh? Yes. Till time we will listen to Sanjeevani Didi.
Jai Shri Krishna, everyone. Yeah, I'm glad to be a part of Gita Parivar. Actually, I started Gita listening to Gita from 2012, interpretation by Balaji Tambe. Maybe many of them know. And yeah, he used to say that chanting Sanskrit will help you improve. But I have also heard that if we pronounce Sanskrit in a wrong way, like Gita shloka is like a kind of mantra. So if we say mantra in a wrong way or pronounce wrongly, then that also affects badly. So I was waiting that someone will guide me to chant Sanskrit shlokas. And yeah, it's like from 2012 to 2020, it's 8 years that I was waiting to someone guide to me to chant Sanskrit. Chant Sanskrit shlokas, and suddenly I just came across this Gita Parivar through YouTube. That's one advertising was there, and I just as the Shital Didi said that Ishwar Skupa, and yeah, suddenly I got enrolled in Gita Parivar, and it is like it's a good opportunity for me. And especially Shital Didi, I would like to thank you, because being a Maharashtrian, yeah, even school also that difference between no and no means I used to people used to say that there is a difference between no and no, but I really till now I was not able to understand what exactly that difference is. But when you explained it, like it's no how to speak, like tongue moving and all those things, and the fur also, that fur. Yeah, it was really awesome. It was really a knowledgeable session with you. And that, yeah, I used to heard many Sanskrit shlokas, Sanskrit chantings also. But that aghat and that joint words, that pronunciation also differs. But I used to think how this is happening, and no one was around to guide us. So, and the one thing during this session also, yeah, I wanted to mention about the three events that happened. During the initial period when your daughter was not well, and it was really a difficult moment for you. And during that time also, I was going through a difficult situations through my job, and I was I was about to give up all those things. But that conversation on our group, Krishna is testing our patience and our dedication to our task, and yeah, I felt that, yeah, it is also my taste, and I continued those tasks at my hand, and it was yeah, really, it was it was helpful for me. And the second thing, you shared one story of asura, difference between asuras and suras, Deva and Daitya. Yeah, even during that moment also, I was in what we can say, confusion that whether should I do this thing or not to do that. But your story cleared me that what should I do and what should I not do. So yeah, Gita Parivar is guiding me throughout my life. And one day, when you joined late because of your device was switched off, and on that day, I think Parmeshwari Didi was not there. Her daughter was there. And I, yeah, even Parmeshwari, maybe due to some reason, Parmeshwari Didi was not there, but her daughter seamlessly organized that session very nicely. So it shows your dedication and all these things. And I would like to sorry to Mahesh Kaka, because he used to ask us start video, put your videos on and all this, but I'm a little bit awkward to keeping my video on. So sorry, it was not to disobey you, but it's I'm not comfortable with keeping a video on. And also I wanted to
but you're looking very stunning, so don't underestimate yourself. Your smile and everything is very good, so don't underestimate everyone. God makes everyone perfect creature. He does not make anyone less looking. Looks does not matter, colors does not matter. It is the heart and it is the thinking and how that matters. So never ever underestimate yourself. For you are the best. You ask your mom, she will agree with me that you are the best child in the world. So you are the best student for us. So we want to see you daily. It's not that looking good or looking bad is immaterial for us. So please continue.
And and also I want to thank Gita Parivar because that session on the Krishna Janmashtami, it was a good moment to hear knowledgeable people, and I don't remember the name of our guest. Sorry, it's my fault. But yeah, listening to them was really a great moment. And during that session, I came to know that Gita Parivar is following Sant Jnaneshwar. And it's a really surprising moment for me because I belong to a Varkari Pantha. Like my father is Varkari, and we follow the Maharashtrian Santas Parampara. And it's like that roots are connecting me. And yeah, and I also wanted to share that my father wanted us to like learn Sanskrit, because he used to say that when our education system lost Sanskrit and we are losing our Sanskriti. So I always wanted to learn Sanskrit. And even during our lectures, these sessions, whenever means my father used to sit near me, and whenever Shital Didi used to appreciate my chanting, my father used to get happy. And whenever my chant used to get over, my father used to my daughter is doing good. So yeah, thank you for making my father, giving me opportunity to make my father happy for this thing.
आपके हाथ में
संजीवनी मराठी येते का? मराठीत बोलू का संजीवनी?
हा, नक्कीच चालेल.
मला ना तुमचा आवाज फार आवडायचा आणि मला नेमकं लक्षात येत नव्हतं की तुम्ही स्कूल गोईंग स्टुडंट आहात का म्हणजे मॅरिड आहात. म्हणून मला मध्ये एकदा तुमचं एज विचारावं लागलं की नेमकं वय किती आहे तुमचं. पण तुमचे रेसिटेशन खरंच खूप सुंदर आहेत. आणि एज याच्यासाठी विचारलं होतं की तुम्ही ऍज अ ट्रेनर काम करू शकाल का, हे मला चेक करायचं असतं. कधीही मी जेव्हा कुणाची रेसिटेशन ऐकते आणि मला त्याच्यामध्ये वाटतं की अरे ही व्यक्ती व्यवस्थित रिसाईट करतेय, छान शिकवू शकते, तेव्हा एज लिमिट काय आहे बाबा, 18च्या आत आहे का जास्त आहे, हे पाहून मग पुढे मी पुढच्यांना सांगत असते की तुम्ही एक छान ट्रेनर होऊ शकता आणि तुम्ही त्याच्यामध्ये थोडंसं स्वतःला अजून पॉलिशमेंट करा. आणि अजून एक तुम्हाला पाहिल्यानंतर मला आठवलं, माझं ना 7th पर्यंत एज्युकेशन इंग्लिश मीडियम मध्ये झालेलं आहे आणि 8th मध्ये डायरेक्टली मी मराठी मीडियम मध्ये आले. तर मला हसायचे सगळेजण, माझी मराठी म्हणजे फारच विचित्र बोलण्यात येत असेल कदाचित, मला ते छान वाटायचं पण ते ऐकणाऱ्यांना विचित्र वाटायचं. तर माझ्या मॅम मला म्हणायच्या, मोराळे मॅडम होत्या मला, म्हणे शीतल कुठेही जर शेंगा कोणी फोडून ठेवल्या तर तू त्यातून काय उचलणार. म्हटलं शेंगाच उचलून खाईल, टर्फ कोण घेईल. तर मला मोराळे मॅम म्हणायच्या की पूर्ण आयुष्यात असंच असतं, तुमच्या समोर 2 गोष्टी असतील, शेंगा आणि टर्फल, त्यातल्या नेमक्या गोष्टी कोणत्या उचलायला पाहिजे ते आपल्यावर असतं. आणि आज तुम्ही सगळे अनुभव जेव्हा सांगत होता ना, आणि एक एक गोष्टी, तुमची मेमरी इतकी शार्प आहे आणि तुम्हाला त्या गोष्टी बरोबर नेमक्या उचलता येतात. तर बॅक टू लाईक 25-27 वर्ष मागे घेऊन गेलात तुम्ही मला. आणि मोराळे मॅडमची आठवण करून दिली. शी वॉज माय क्लास टीचर व्हेन आय वॉज इन 8th स्टँडर्ड. And same thing I saw in you. You know very well what are the things that we need to pick up and what are the things that we need to leave. So this is the perfect balance of your life. You are really very able to balance your life. That's the good thing. These are the things that we are learning from Bhagavad Gita, life skills, how to lead our life. Shri Krishna teaches us this thing only, hai na? So wow, you are on the correct path. You are learning which things I need to choose and which are the things I need to leave it. No need to think about those things. So a perfect balance. So congratulations. Chalo. So your parents are proud parents already. Now we will listen Saraswati ji. Yes, Saraswati ji.
सरस्वती जी हमारी गेस्ट हैं. सरस्वती जी, सॉरी टू कीप यू.
जय श्री कृष्णा.
यस दीदी, जय श्री कृष्णा.
हाँ, मैं बचपन से स्वाध्याय से जुड़ी हुई हूँ, पांडुरंग शास्त्री आठवले के.
हाँ.
तो वहाँ पाठशाला जाती थी मुंबई में.
हाँ हाँ.
थोड़ा सा चरपट पंजरी का सुनाती हूँ.
हाँ.
दिनमपि रजनी सायं प्रातः शिशिरवसन्तो पुनरायात् कालक्रीडाति गच्छत्यायु तदपि न मुच्यत्यासा वायु भज गोविन्दं भज गोविन्दं भज गोविन्दं मूढमते प्राप्ते सन्निहिते मरणे नै नै रक्षति डुङ्कृज कर्णे अग्रे वान्हि भानु रात्रो चिबुक समर्पित जानु करतल वीक्षा तरुतल वास तदपि न मुच्यत्यासा पास भज गोविन्दं भज गोविन्दं भज गोविन्दं मूढमते प्राप्ते सन्निहिते मरणे नै नै रक्षति डुङ्कृज कर्णे जटिलो मुण्डी कुञ्चित केशायाम्बरवेश सुकृदपि यन्नति कुश नितिनं केशं नहि कृतकेश भज गोविन्दं भज गोविन्दं मूढमते प्राप्ते सन्निहिते मरणे नै नै रक्षति डुङ्कृज कर्णे बालस्ताव क्रीडासक्त तरुणस्ताव तरुणीरक्त वृद्धोस्ताव चिन्तामग्न परे ब्रह्मणि कोऽपि न लग्न भज गोविन्दं गोविन्दं भज मूढमते प्राप्ते सन्निहिते मरणे नै नै रक्षति डुङ्कृज कर्णे सुखद प्रियते रामा भोग पंचादंत शरीरे रोग यद्यपि लोके मरणं तदपि न मुच्यति पापाचरणं भज गोविन्दं गोविन्दं मूढमते प्राप्ते सन्निहिते मरणे नै नै रक्षति डुङ्कृज कर्णे नारीस्तनभरनाभिनिवेशं मिथ्या माया महावेशं यदपि लोके मरणं शरणं तदपि न मुच्यति पापाचरणं भज गोविन्दं गोविन्दं भज मूढमते प्राप्ते सन्निहिते मरणे नै नै रक्षति डुङ्कृज कर्णे पुनरपि जननं पुनरपि मरणं पुनरपि भूल गई मेरे को पूरा याद है बस इतना ही बोलती हूँ।
बहुत अच्छा गाया आपने, सच में सरस्वती ही है आप। बहुत बढ़िया।
बड़ा है, बहुत याद है, लेकिन अभी मैं थोड़ी बिजी हूँ इसलिए भूल गई।
कोई बात नहीं, जितना सुनाया वो ही बहुत सुंदर था, बहुत सुंदर। भले ही अर्थ नहीं समझा हो ज्यादा, लेकिन फिर भी कहीं तो छू जा रहा है।
हाँ।
यस, तरुण भैया।
Jai Shri Krishna to everyone.
Jai Shri Krishna भैया।
Jai Shri Krishna. I'd like to thank Sheetal Didi, Parmeshwari Didi, Mahesh Bhaiya, and all my fellow participants. I've learned a lot, and I'm looking forward to level 3. I started the journey because my son he took one class, and I just wanted to make sure that I set an example for him. So I took the class as well, and I have a funny story that I would like to share. One day, my wife, she was telling me like, "Why are you so nervous?" And she was joking with my kids like, "Look, Daddy is nervous." So I said, "I'm nervous because my fellow participants, those are ahead of me, and those are after me. They're so good. So I have to make sure that I at least like live up to the mark." and I don't mess up my slokas. So it's been a great journey, and I think I've learned from everyone. So thank you again.
Yes, Bhaiya, from your recitation only I came to know that you don't know Devanagari Lipi, and even you have not spoken Hindi also. So for the first time only, when you recited the shloka, I asked you, where do you live? Hai na? Have you any time spoken in Hindi, or are you like familiar with Devanagari language? And these things I asked you. So I knew that you are very fresher one for this Sanskrit language. But believe me, your recitations are so good, like you can become a trainer now. Not a single. And it's always easy to teach a fresher person. It's very hard to teach those who already recites Bhagavad Gita and we have to correct them. So it's very hard to teach those people. Teaching a fresher one is always very easy. So your recitations are really very good now.
Thanks, Didi. I did learn as a young child languages, but it's been a long time that I've spoken or written English or any other language, Hindi or any other languages. But thank you again.
Yes, Bhaiya. Yeah, so Vishakha ji.
Last but not the least.
Yes, Bhaiya.
Her patience is really worth in calculating. So patient. Wonderful.
Yes. Yeah, but I'm missing Anagha. Okay, Vishakha ji, please
Jai Shri
continue.
Krishna, everyone.
Jai Shri Krishna.
Yeah, first of all, I would like to thank Sheetal Didi, of course, our Guru Ma. She's been so patient and so calmly she has taught us. Initially, I had no confidence. I come from Udupi. It's a small city in Karnataka. Some people know about that place. It is famous for Lord Krishna Temple, which was founded by Adi Guru Madhvacharya. So we are all great devotee of Lord Krishna. So I tried learning, reading Bhagavad Gita, but I was finding it very difficult. So I wanted to study it in a proper way, but I never knew about this Gita Parivar. But during the Corona time, everything was going online, and I was going through a lot of stress and depression because I lost my sister for COVID. She's no more. So after that, I was going through a lot of stress and depression. And one of my friend sent me the Gita Parivar link, and she told me, please join this. It will be good for you. So I just joined. I filled the form. I joined the Gita Parivar. I joined the level 1, and I found it so good, so interesting, so soothing. Early in the morning, lot of positive vibes. Then I gave the Gita Gunjan exam. Then in level 2, I went for Gita Jitnyasu exams. Now I have filled the form for Gita Pathak exam also. I'm so thankful to Sheetal Didi because she corrects each and every with a lot of patience and a calm mind. I'm very thankful for your guidance, Didi. And Parmeshwari Didi, I'm thankful to you too. Daily I used to listen to your voice. I'm really happy to see you today, Parmeshwari Didi. And daily we used to listen to your prayer, but today really happy to see you. And Mahesh Bhaiya, he is such a wonderful coordinator, fatherly figure actually. Thank you for such a beautiful video. And almost daily he used to come and speak, coordinator. And I can remember after me passing the Jitnyasu exam, he has especially come to congratulate me. So I'm really very thankful to Mahesh Bhaiya too. And listening to Didi's voice, I'm like, I'm in flying in, I don't know what. It's such a beautiful and soulful voice. And after listening to her voice, I've listening to her chanting and all, like, I'm thinking that we have learned nothing. We have still a long way to go. we have to learn so many things, a long way to go. So I would like to continue my Gita journey. Now I filled the form for level 3 and I would like to continue in level 4 too. And my aim is I want to memorize all the 18 chapters with the grace of Lord Krishna. And not only memorizing, know the meaning, and I would like to render my seva also in Gita Parivar in the future. So thank you so much, Gita Parivar. And as just now Tarunji told that he was lacking behind, but I really appreciate him because in the initial stage, okay, but later on there was so much of improvement in his recitation. Tarunji, really congratulations, you have improved a lot in your recitations, and I will miss my batchmates, especially early morning. My son, he always waits to listen to Anaga's voice actually. He comes 6:30, he gets prepared to go to his college, and he waits to listen to Anaga's voice. Even my mother-in-law, she sits with me and she listens to the complete class, but she can't recite, but she will listen. And Jia and so many of them, like I'm going to miss all of them. Neha, Prabha, maybe I missed some names, Sanjeevani, Sanjeevji, Tarunji, all of them. So I didn't even miss a single class. Sometimes I was unwell, but still difficulty I set and I completed this course because I maybe in school and college we have bunked the classes, but here this class we have never felt like missing. So I would like to continue. Maybe in level 3 I will meet again few of them. I hope so. And maybe Sheetal Didi, please come as a guru in the level 3 also, please. So thank you everyone. Thank you everyone. Thank you Gita Parivar. God bless all of you. Jai Shri Krishna.
I wish all of you should pray that in level 4 you should get Dipti Didi only. In level 3 you should get Shraddha Didi. So that, and every teacher has their own flavor. You know, from every different teacher you learn new things. Like my daughter's level 3 is going on, so Shraddha Didi is teaching her. Not RBC, this is different one. And yet I attend the classes. I like to see, wow, what kind of chanting. Every teacher's teaching is different way. No doubt the rules are same, but every teacher's teaching flavor is different one. So you should test all the flavors, right? So every time with a different teacher, with a different knowledge, with the different way of teaching. And
I request, please, if possible, try to come to Udupi. It is a very beautiful city in Karnataka. It is famous for Lord Krishna temple and it is a coastal area. It's a very beautiful place. So please do come and visit this place once.
I have been there to Udupi once. I've had the darshan of Krishnaji about 7 years back, I think. I was there.
Mahesh Bhaiya, I think you are from Goa, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I was in Goa for 9 years. So my father was working in a syndicate bank and we were in Goa for 9 years. Even now we visit Goa because of a Kuldevasthan, Ramnath Shanteri Kamakshi Ponda. So we visit Goa almost.
Good. Next time you come, just let me know.
Yeah, sure, Bhaiya. Okay.
Sunilji is with us. Sunilji.
Krishna Bhaiya.
Okay, good.
I joined
Krishna.
Shri Krishna. I am with Mahesh Bhaiya. He's DC for what class I teach. And he
Okay.
Sunil Dhuji is a level 3 trainer.
Great. Wow. Yes, Bhaiya. Sunil Bhaiya, please address the group.
Yeah, so please continue. I just joined to see how things were going.
Abhi, hum log last page mein please say something because we'll be concluding the session in 5 to 7 minutes.
Yeah, that's right. I got delayed, so I could not join earlier. But wish you all the best to everyone. You'll soon be in L3, I think. So look forward to seeing some of you in some class in some form.
Thank you so much.
Thank
So,
So now, Parmeswari
before
ji,
concluding, I should pay my.
Excuse me, Parmeswari ji has to say something. Then
Yes,
you
Didi.
can.
Jai Shri Krishna, everyone. Jai Shri Krishna, everyone.
Jai Shri
Actually,
Krishna, Didi.
I'm very blessed to be in this group, and I'm very blessed to can serve all of you, because as Gita Parivar says, after we have joined the class, as we join as a participants, later we have to serve what Krishna has given us. So in return, we, as what Sheetal Didi, Mahesh Bhai, everybody is telling, that we must spare some 40 minutes for your classes. So I urge everybody at least serve 40 minutes just being served to serve Gita Parivar, as they have given us the opportunity to learn. In return, we have to give our time for Gita Parivar. So at least, actually, I'm not only in this class, I'm serving two other classes as well. But both the classes are Tamil classes. Actually, I did not apply for it, but they did not get tech for the classes. So they requested, the timing not so suitable for me, but still I made time to join it because I'm from Malaysia. So timing, the classes 3 o'clock, that class is about 5 o'clock. Actually, I was doing another class about 7 o'clock class. So actually it hit some other my appointment. So I came out from, so I told them, I'm very sorry, I came out from the class, but I'm still maintaining the 5 o'clock class. And I'm really very impressed all of you people, the way you all chant. It is very nice. And I must thankful where Sheetal Didi, in nowhere that I serve as a tech, I was given the opportunity to say prayers. I'm really very thankful to you to say prayer every day.
Okay, Didi, I would like to clear one thing. While any of the class is conducted now, of course, we are there to serve everyone, right? But where trainer is one side of a coin, tech is the another side of the same coin. So no coin will be working properly if both the sides are mutually helping each other very properly. And I'm so fortunate, I'm so happy that I got tech like you. Your time management is so perfect. You never missed a single second. Always whenever our training is going on as a trainer, our seniors always tells us that you should not miss a single second of the participants. And that time management, I saw you in you, that you manage it so well. So thank you for being such a nice partner. And yes, of course, Mahesh Bhaiya, you are such a nice GC, very cooperative. I wish I will be in touch with you for coming years. So Mahesh Bhaiya, thanks a lot. As like uncle only, or as like father only, and you have the quality to become the head of the family. Like whenever we say that GC is there, so whatever problems every one of us have, we should go to GC and he will solve the problem. And so as like this is our family and he is head of the family. So Mahesh Bhaiya, you have those qualities, how to have good relation with everyone as well as sort out their problems also. So be with us always in this same manner only. And thank you everyone for giving me opportunity. And
just another word for to Mahesh Bhaiya, Sheetal Didi. I have served in so many groups. This is the only group whereby the GC was with me all the while. I'm very thankful to you, Mahesh Bhaiya. In no group that the GC was with me, and it was there all the while for me. Thank you very much, Mahesh Bhaiya.
Can I ask something, please?
Sure.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Now, sometimes when we recite the verses, we may pronounce it wrongly. So is there anything, any verse or something where we recite to like ask for forgiveness for reciting or saying it wrongly? Like in what you call it in Vishnu Sahasranama, there are few verses we recite at the end. You know, it's like asking for forgiveness because we have said it wrongly, which it may mean something else. So is there such a thing for this Gita chanting?
In it, I'll just guide you. In the last Sri Krishna Arpanamastu, what we say, okay, whatever good or bad we are told is dedicated to you. So only by saying Sri Krishna Arpanamastu, everything is dedicated to him. So we are rid of all our karmas by that. So whatever we do, everything we surrender to him. Sri Krishna Arpanamastu.
Sorry to interrupt. Our gurus have told one shloka, Aparada Sahasrani Kriyante Aharnisham Maya Dasoham Mam Matva Kshamasva Purushottama. I think this is also a good shloka where we can definitely apologize for the wrong chantings and the wrong interpretations what we have done. Sorry.
Thank you so much.
Actually, everybody, whatever we know, we should actually help each other by saying this. Even I didn't do this thing. Never this question arose in my mind like Didi asked. And this Prabhaji, what you said, that also I never knew. So thank you to both of you, even thrice of you, that you added to my knowledge. And
can you please share
I will
the
ask
chant?
this question to my seniors, that if such things are there, if they answer me, I will let you know. And
Okay, thank
Prabhaji,
you.
yeah, already I think Prabhaji has answered your question, but yet I will ask any of my senior member and I will let you know.
Thank you, Desi.
Yes, Didi, thanks a lot. Yeah.
So the last, I'd like to thank each and every one of you. You all have been so attentive. And why I bow down, pranam karta hu, not to you as a person, but to the Krishna Bhakti which resides in you. So the Bhakti Bhav which is there in you all is उसको साष्टांग दंडवत करने लायक है. इसलिए I bow down to everyone and seek blessings of Lord Krishna through each and every one of you. I have been there every day because I could not afford to miss even a single moment of being blessed by all your presence only. So thank you everyone.
Yes, Bhaiya, thanks a lot. So shall we conclude, Parmeshwari Didi?
I'll end it.
Whenever Parmeshwari Didi is not active, na, there is like the class is alive for 50% only. Parmeshwari Didi, Hazir ho.
Concluding prayer. Concluding prayer.
Actually, I said whatever I wanted to say, but still I thank all of you all for this one and Gita Parivar for giving me the opportunity. Only thing is sometimes the time difference is there, but otherwise it's not too bad compared to the people who are from US, Germany and everything. And they can do it, why can't we do? Ours is only 2.5 hours difference.
Parmeshwari, sorry to have taken.
And no problem, no problem.
Take work today.
Sorry, I didn't get you.
Take work today.
Yeah.
I did it because I just wanted to give
Recite
you
the
full
prayers.
opportunity to enjoy.
Actually, as you handled this whole take part, today for the first time, Parmeshwari Didi was able to enjoy whole session. So actually, thanks to you.
Yeah, exactly. Thank you.
Yes.
Thank
So
you.
Didi, please sing the prayer now.
You want me to say, or maybe Mahesh Bhaiya can say for a change for today? Because I've been saying all the
Both
while.
of you together, Mahesh Bhaiya and you, both of you together.
Sure. Mahesh Bhaiya, come, let's say the prayers.
Yogesam
Sachidanandam
Krishnam
Vasudevambraja Priyam Dharma samsthapatam veeram Krishnam Vande Jagadguru. Krishnam Vande Jagadguru.
Please stop your recording, then I'll end the session.
Yeah,
Please
yeah,
stop
recording
your
is ongoing, no problem.